Good morning, hola muchachos. Welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off my day by getting dressed. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Everlane. I have been a huge fan of them for years, and having them sponsor today's video is very special. I am a believer in Everlane when it comes to the quality and also the make of the items, because they are made ethically in beautiful factories that love and care for people, which is very important to me when it comes to curating a wardrobe. Everlane creates beautiful, timeless pieces, and everything that I got mixes and matches really well together to get the most out of these items and my wardrobe in general. Today I'm wearing the Women's Henley waffle shirt, and I'm pairing it with these jeans. These are the cheeky straight jeans. There's no gaping in the back. They fit really well, super comfortable, and I've washed them so many times because I've worn them so many times, and they wash beautifully. I'm going to be wearing the day loafer today, which is a very comfortable loafer looking shoe, but it feels like a soft flat. I love how flexible the sole is, and they just make my outfit look fantastic. Also, I am pairing this with the Redown sleeping bag puffer jacket because it was cold today. If you're interested in any of these pieces, I'll have them all linked down below. I'm gonna get my kiddos ready and we're out the door. So thanks again, Everlane, for sponsoring the video. Hola muchachos, welcome here. Me and the kids, we're just taking a quick little drive over to the chiropractor. Hi, Kelvin. Ever since just like our car accidents, yes, multiple, and like me, like still postpartum. I mean, after pregnancy, you're postpartum for the rest of your life, but all that stuff. Also, we just got a new bed. It is so nice to be adjusted and taken care of by someone who just is so gentle and knows exactly what you need. It's so good. So anyway, we were at the chiropractor. Always a great place to be. Lately, I've just had like me and Ivy going in for appointments, but today I'm gonna get me and all the kids just like a nice checkup, a nice adjustment for everybody, because we all have issues. Unbuckle you, unbuckle you, unbuckle you. Hi. Back at home, boom, we got a bunch of packages today. There's these, there's 3 more upstairs packages, which I'm so excited about, and I'll let you guys know about those later. Outside with the kiddos, I'm running after this girl, making sure she does not go in the garden. She loves going into our garden, and it's uncool because then she's filthy and then I have to change her again. It's just a horrible cycle, because then she's gonna eat something, it's gonna make her dirty again, I'll have to change her again. The less amount of times I have to change you in the day, the better. Chiropractor's so good. Elizabeth has been doing a lot of bum drops, so she needed some like pelvis kind of correction, I think she said, just because through her walking and her falling, their little bodies, they just can't take it and they start kind of twisting and turning. So she got all adjusted. Ivy's on the bike, Calvin's on the bike.
Mommy, can I go to the mailbox?
Not right now, but that is a good idea. But not right now, because believe it or not, it's almost lunchtime. Woohoo! Don't run over your sister, don't run over your sister. There you go. Everyone needs to sit. Let's sit in your seats and then you can have two.
I'm sitting in my... Thank you.
Actually, wait. I'm thirsty and I want water too. I want to do a couple DIY things today. Firstly, I want to fix this chair. So me and Kieran were driving to our in-laws house and I saw this chair on the side of the road and I was determined to get it. And I was like, Kieran, turn around, because it was on the other side of the road. Kieran turned around. and we picked it up, and Kieran was like, pretty sure that was someone's lemonade stand chair. And I was like, no, it was in like a for free section, as well as this part of the chair is broken. So I need to figure out how to fix that. I think what I'm gonna do is just take like this string, kind of almost twine that I have, and wrap it around. Can you go pick it up, please, while I keep talking? I'm going to use this twine. I'm gonna wrap it around so this kind of whole framed area on the bottom, thank you, Ivy,
Welcome, Mommy.
will be this like this. Cheers. Also, I have like some plants over here. I do want to hang them up, and I'm going to use this as the bottom, and I'm going to make a plant hanger that I'm going to hang on a hook that is right by our entranceway, because I've been needing to do stuff to it and I haven't done too much to it. So I really wanted a plant hanging there. Anyway, those are kind of my DIY projects today. This is also the last meal that we will be sitting on these chairs. I bought these chairs because these chairs were on back order, pre-order. So they said it's gonna take a while for you guys to get it, but it came in about a month, which was faster than I thought it was going to be, so I was very excited. I see you.
I see you.
So we're gonna have some lunch and soak up the last time that we might sit on these foldable chairs. We're gonna keep them for when company comes, but they're not gonna be our everyday dining room chairs, which is just like exciting and fun because these are fabric and kids do not work very well when it comes to dining. So let's make some lunch. Didn't believe me about these chairs getting filthy. I wipe this down every day and it just gets so yucky. And then under his seat, like, yeah. So I'm going to clean. This is like way too bright, hold on. That's better. I'm going to clean all these chairs because again, we are gonna keep them for guests. Kids are already going into the boxes. Calvin is eating the box and I'm going to just get this all clean, this all tidy. We're going to vacuum the floors and everything. Fragile, handle with care. Like, what is this? This actually isn't from my kids. Someone was I don't know. This just seems really rough. This has happened to me way too many times. I know the kids ripped this part of the tape, but like, come on, that's crazy. Anyway, we're gonna open these up, assemble them, and see exactly what they look like. And it's pretty much nap time, quiet time too, so we gotta do that as well. Busy, busy, busy. Chairs are all put together except for one. What happened to our chairs, Ivy? What's wrong?
We got to 4 legs.
Remember in the beginning I told you guys this box, like, it looks like someone went through it. Maybe someone did because there is a leg missing. And in that box, everything was just kind of like messed up. Like, it wasn't like the other box where everything was like very orderly. Looks like someone went through our package, Ivy. Ugh.
Mommy,
Yes.
We actually did the netted chairs.
Yeah, because we do have 3 other chairs, so this is so nice. I want to cuddle you forever.
Looking everywhere outside.
Yeah, I thought maybe like outside the leg fell or something while they were bringing it in. But if you walk over here, it looks so good. I'm all about this. So these are like the wishbone chairs, but usually with these, there's like a woven bottom, but having kids, I can't deal with that. Food will get, I can't even do fabric chairs, so no. They're so comfy, so it's like a plastic, like a hard, solid plastic up top and then wooden legs. The leg doesn't really match the staining of the table, but I kind of almost like it because the table and the floor is a very similar color, so to have that to kind of break it up, I'm kind of into it. The look of the wishbone chair, I just think it looks really nice. The guy who delivered our table, he actually had a part in making this table because it's like a custom table that we got. He said, because I asked him, he said wishbone chairs would look the best, so that's what I did. That's gonna be Papa's chair. Honestly, you can choose one of these chairs, Ivy, because I'll take that as my chair. You can see, we only have 3 legs. Woohoo! So anyway, I gotta talk to UPS, and I am going to start trucking away on this. Tomorrow I have my sister-in-law coming over to watch the kids, so I can get a ton of work done. So for kind of this nap time, I just wanna get some things done that I've been meaning to get done for the past little bit. Usually I work during this time, but she's coming tomorrow, and I feel like I'll get a bunch of work done then. So let's go ahead and start doing this. Okay, so let's just see how this goes. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'm actually someone who never really finds things on the side of the road because I don't think that anything that I've ever actually seen on the side of the road is worth getting. Like everything just looks like junk, which I mean, usually it is. And maybe some people would look at, you wanna pull this one? Some people may look at this and go like, that's such junk. But like, if you can take an item and make it into something amazing again, I kind of think that's a talent, and it's one of the coolest ways to recycle and be super sustainable is taking things that would either end up in the junkyard or in a ditch and taking it into your home. It's also free in this case, which is obviously awesome. Now here's the thing, everyone is different. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below and just let me know a way that you tried to either be more sustainable or reuse, anything from like bringing your own mug to a coffee shop to refilling up your own water bottle to thrifting to using like a menstrual cup. It all, you want to pull this? It all helps. I love the quote where it just talks about we don't need some people doing everything, we just need everyone doing some things. Anyway, I don't do everything, but I do some things, and I think it does make a difference. And I just honestly, I can't get over how dark it gets now with like the time change and everything. It's after 3:30 and it's like pretty dark outside. No wonder people suffer from like so much depression through the fall winter months. It is so insane. I love wearing this shirt. Like this has just kind of been ever since I got it, like just a go-to shirt. I pretty much just feel like a super mom in this outfit, and you can't tell that I'm sweating like crazy because that's all that I do. Such an intense sweater. Yeah, baby. Also, Calvin is totally potty trained. It literally took us 4 days and he's like done. Anyway, he still sits on his little potty, so I'm just gonna empty this. Kids are watching a show, they get to watch one show a day, so for like half an hour they get to do that. Don't watch me go downstairs, you'll get sad. Looking at our chair with 3 legs. Yeah, I still need to email them about that. Anyway, so for this little half an hour, usually I'm like kind of prepping dinner, cleaning things up, and are we zoomed in? No. I want to show you guys the plant and what it looks like. Like seriously though, look at how dark it is outside. It's like not even 4. I have my plant that's, oh please don't die. I've worked so hard, please don't die. I have my plant, my little mirror, and these are my hooks and my bench that I thrifted. The vacuum is gonna move. It's just been there forever. Dyson has to move, but for now it's gonna stay there. I think this looks really pretty, like just hanging from there, and apparently like it only wants a little bit of light, and this reflects some really gentle light through the day. Feels weird seeing myself in the mirror recording, and I always hang my mirrors like too high. Like I always think like this is where I want them, and then I'm like, oh, I can hardly see myself. But it makes the rooms look like taller, so that's why I hang up my mirror so high. I've talked about this before. Firstly, I love like warm laundry. Talked about this before. 1 load of laundry a day does it for us. Sometimes it's just towels, sometimes it's linen, sometimes it's day clothes and jammies. But I find that I can do laundry 1 load a day and actually be completely caught up. Honestly, I usually get Ivy to help me do all the laundry, but she seems a little bit out of sorts and I don't know if she's coming down with something. And it's also showtime, so I thought I'll just let you lay down and watch your show. Elizabeth is gonna be my helper. My little helper. Hey baby. We're gonna do this laundry. I have also given myself a lot of grace today. I do like having a nice dinner for Kieran when he gets home, and some days I give myself a little bit of grace. So tonight we're gonna have some soup that I've pre-made and it was just in the freezer. So all I gotta do is thaw it, prepped in the freezer. Just gives me a little bit of grace and it lets me do other things that I just feel like I need to do in the day. Yeah. Hey! So we feeling good. Wearing our everlane. Yeah. Oh, you can dance? Good job. We feeling good. We feeling good. Can you dance? Power in the blood. There is power. Power. Wonder work. Just try and dance. You having a dance off with the truck? So this is what I do most days when I'm prepping dinner. I have my thing of, it's like vegan. You see I actually have like a little mix. You can see the lighter ones and the dark ones. But I will take, this is like my favorite, some chocolate chips to munch on. While I make dinner, which is pretty much me just thawing this tomato soup. It's vegan and it's made with cashews to make it nice and creamy. So my fingers are all wet. I need to put this into there, onto that.